Hello children, welcome back to the computer online classes. I am Rajeshri Reddy. So today I am here going to explain about the ninth chapter. So that is connecting with the people using the internet. Nowadays we all know that we are using the internet. So first we'll see what are the learning objectives. So first is understanding the concept of social networking, then describing online gaming, internet telephony and e-greetings, then understanding blogging and create your own blogs. So next in this we have the introduction part. So you can see the warm up exercise children. So in the warm up exercise, so first first two children first two children are working with the computer system. So first child is working on the Google form and second child is working on the email. So she is sending the email and he is searching for the information in the Google, and this child is playing the game on the cell phone. So this is the difference. So now first is what introduction. In introduction what we will see first, that what is internet. Internet can be used to communicate with other people in the world. Okay, we use the internet for many purposes, like we can listen to the songs, videos, watch the movies. Okay, then book our movie tickets, we can book our bus tickets, okay, train tickets. Okay, then search for any information in the Google, we can send the mail, then we can play the game, share the pictures, videos. Okay, then music, or we can send the greetings. So we can do many things using the internet. So next is what social networking. So social networking is means what? Social networking website allow us to connect with the friends and family in different parts of the world. So all the users need to create an account. So if you want to use the social networking, you should create an account and register themselves with the social media websites. Users are required to create a profile of themselves by giving the details. So some of the data it will ask. So we should fill out that form and we can create our own account. So once the account is created, you can connect with the, you can we can connect and we can send videos, photos, okay, anything to your friends. Okay, some of the most popular social networking websites like Facebook, Twitters, okay, YouTube, then what nowadays we are using Insta. Okay, okay, so many are there. So some of them they are given most popular. So we will see now how we'll log into the Facebook. Okay, so we will search for the Google Chrome here. Okay, this is the Google Chrome. So here we will search for Facebook now. You know all are using the Facebook. So just I will show you how to open the Facebook. In all of your mobile you are having Facebook, Instagram and everything. Just once I will show you children. Okay, so this is the Facebook. Again you should log in. So click on here login. So here it will ask your particular email ID and you should give your password here. Then you can click on the login. So your Facebook will be open. If you are not having Facebook, means you should create your account by giving the information. Okay, you should fill out that form and you can create your own account. Now this is the Facebook. So Facebook helps you to connect and share with the people in your life. Again here we will search for Twitter. So Twitter is one of the online social networking. So it's service that allows its the users to send and read the short text messages of maximum 280 characters. It is called a tweet. So how many characters the text contains, how many characters? Maximum 280 characters. So it's a message type. So see here, click on the Twitter. So again we should have to log in here. So this is the login page. So you should give your phone number or email ID or username and click on the password. So what is your password? So click put it over here and log in. So again we will open for the Twitter. So next, again what? Instagram. So nowadays we all are using the Instagram. So click on that. Okay, then click on login. So this is the Insta icon. So what is that? So you should again put your phone number, username or email or password, or click on the login. So you can open your Insta. So Facebook and Insta almost same. So where we can share the pictures, videos, same like that. Okay, in the Insta. So like social networking website, Insta requires users to create their account. Registered user can upload and share the photos or videos. Okay, Insta allows the users to share the photos or videos on other social networking websites like Facebook and Twitter as well. So next is WhatsApp. So I think you know WhatsApp. Okay, all are in your mobile having the WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, in WhatsApp what you will do? So it is a very popular networking website. So networking service. It is used to send a instant text and audio messages. It can also be used to make audio or video calls. It was launched in January 2009. WhatsApp has more than 1.5 million users. It helps to share the text, photos, videos, location with others. India has the maximum number of WhatsApp users. So nowadays we all are using the WhatsApp itself. Okay children. Next is a Snapchat. So Snapchat, how it will the symbol? Snapchat. Okay, I think some of the people they will use this Snapchat also. So this is the symbol. So again we should log in here. So see here, username, email ID or password. Okay, it is a one of the Snapchat is created in 2011. It is another popular social networking service used to share the pictures and videos with the friends. The most important feature of Snapchat is it's the messages and videos are available only at a short period of time. So in WhatsApp we can view the any pictures, videos whenever we want, but in Snapchat what will happen? It will be available only short period of time. Next, YouTube. You know all of them we use the YouTube to watch the videos. So here you shall see, when you click on this you should search for what you are looking for. Okay, any videos you wanted to see, just click on that and search for it, and you can open the video. Next, other use of the internet. So one more is that online gaming. So online gaming, so nowadays you people are playing online game itself, right, in your home. So click on online games. So if any free online games is there, just click on that. So see, these are so many online free games are there. So just you can see which one is good for you. Okay, which one is interested. So you can download that game and you can play whenever you need it. So next is MMORPG, means massively multiplayer online role playing games. So this is one more online gaming, especially online game where a large number of people from all over the world can join a virtual world, assuming the role of character in the game. Okay, World of Warcraft, a popular MMORPG, has more than 100 million subscribers. So that is Star Wars. Okay, had an 1 million subscriber within the first 3 days of its launch. There are also many multiplayer online games which can be played using just a web browser. Okay, browser games like Flamevilla and Remain are the very popular among the users. So nowadays online gaming like PUBG and all you people are playing now. So like that only, this is the one of the most popular online game. So next is what children? Next is is online telephony. So the name itself, online, means we can make a call, okay, by using the internet. And internet enables the computer, okay, a handset or a microphone and speakers, internet telephony software installed. So we should install this software, that is internet telephony. Afterwards we can call to any of your friends. Okay, what we needed is that we should have an internet enabled computer, then handset or microphone or a speaker, then the software, that is internet telephony, installed it in your system. Next is online file sharing. So elements of cloud computing. So what is online file sharing, children? An online file sharing service allows the users to store the documents, data, photos and videos using the internet. Hence this method of storing the information sometimes called a cloud storage. So whatever the information that is stored, that is online file sharing. There are number of online file sharing services like Microsoft OneDrive, Dropbox, Google Drive, iCloud, sorry. Then most of these can be accessed using a PC or a smartphones. To access one of these services, user need to create their account and specify the space they needed. So we can share the online file sharing. We can store the information through online file sharing. Next is what? E-greeting. So e-greeting means, the name itself indicates that we can send the greeting to our friends by giving the website addresses like www.123, okay, now see here .com. So this is the greetings card. So which one you want, just you click on it, okay. Birthday wishes, greetings are there, so which one you want you can take, then click on save as, okay, save as. Then you can save these greetings, okay, anywhere where you want. So first click on the downloads, then click on save. So you can send these greetings to your friends, okay, through WhatsApp, anything, Snapchat or Facebook, Insta, where you want you can send. So what you should do, you should give the which greeting you want, you can give over here. Next is what? Blogs. So how will you open the blogs? Now see here. Now here it is the account that, okay, I'm having the blogs. So see here, just go for the blogger. When you open your email ID, go for the blogger, then create your blog, okay. So give your email ID, okay, which email ID you wanted to give, you can give, okay. So give your email ID, then password, okay. So this is the blog. So if you wanted to post, so this is the name, Rajeshri. So here we have a star, post, comments, earning, pages, layout. Just when you create a blog, you just you check out this, whatever is there, just click on the new post. If you want to have a new post, just give the title here, okay, like anything, computer world, okay. Then we can paste the pictures over here, then we can add a title, okay. Then you can, if you wanted to write, means you can write like blogs, okay. What you will write, you can write the sentence. Abbreviation, of the, what is that? Web log. So like this. So you can write 5-6 sentences, and you can add a picture over here, or you can add a smiley symbol, anything, any symbol you can add over here. See here which one you want, you can insert. Okay, or like this. So you can add here, and you can make a intent, increase, decrease. Okay, so like this, text color and all you can change from here. Okay, so by this, okay, when you write, just click on the publish, so it will be published. So like simple I'm showing. So how to open your blog account. So when you enter the email ID and password, go for here, then go for the blogger, and when the blogger will open, then click on the new post. Okay, then write any title, anything, then you can click on the publish, so it will be published. Otherwise you don't want, means just you click on here, discard this delete option, so deleted. Okay, now this, if you want to sign out, means just click on the symbol sign outs, so it will be signed out. Okay children, this is all about the what the 9th chapter, that is connecting with the people using the internet. So nowadays we are all using the internet only. Okay, those, see this all notes I have gave in the PDF format. So just write the notes and send me back, so in the PDF. Okay children, bye.